A little bit more of program image and record file access here. Let me show you. I'll go into fourth. Fourth just loaded up the fblocks file and its font. Here it's processing more data off the blocks file. The cataloging utility uses sector-based I/O to read the catalog, and I don't support that quite yet. The directory-based one is just like that basic program I was just running, so that works. Pop in here, you can see the fblocks. I can instruct fourth to use a different block file. Actually, fourth is loading out of DSK1 right now. I have DSK1 mapped to a folder called FB4th inside TIPI. Here you'll see what I've been working on the side very slowly for a long time actually. That is where my avatar comes from on Atari Age. TIPI's actually pretty fast. We're spending most of our time here compiling the code on the blocks after we load them. Woot. It run. Anyway, you might recognize my avatar on Atari Ages. It's a close-up of this race car. So that's a cool thing. Fourth was running, but if we want to do something different, instead of DSK1 pointing at FB4th, we want to change it to point at, let's say, the Major Tom directory on the disk. Let's take a look here at TIPI my basic programs. Sorry. Dmap. It's one of the things that we've done with the DSR. Once the peripheral access block hits the Raspberry Pi, then it's kind of free to do all kinds of things. It's not doing sector-based I/O, so we're not doing disk images. So it's easy to extend here at the level 3 disk I/O to have special files. You might have seen that in the HDX RS-232 mod has a special file called clock. Here I've got a special file called dismap, and if I read a record from it, here at line 120, it'll show me the current value of the DSK1 mapping. And if I print back out a record to this special file, it will modify that mapping and change it. So let's just run this real quick. There, DSK1 is currently pointing at FB4th. I'll change it to point at Major Tom. I can run this again and we can see, oh, it reads it. It's pointing at Major Tom. I'm not going to change it again. Major Tom, as we know, requires running out of DSK1. It's hard-coded in there to load up a variety of screen files, basically the level layouts. Oops. Come on. Here. So if we look in DSK1, Here we see the Major Tom files and whatnot. Our current path here in DM2K is TIPI.DSK1. We can change this and actually just refer to DSK1. Let me go down here, I'll fire up this. Now here I'm just loading a program image file again. And then boot.